There are some truths that do not arrive quietly. They come like a thunder. They enter a person's heart and leave nothing untouched. This is exactly what happened to Adil in Teska Boss Dennis. For long, Adil fought enemies, memories, angry, and love. But in episode 28, he faced something more powerful than all of them. But true, Elni is his daughter. Thinking about that moment, a man who has spent years carrying a pain suddenly realized that the child he was trying to protect is not just an innocent girl catch between two families. She is a blood. His daughter is missing peace. But the truth does not to bring peace, it brings a bigger want. Because while Adil is trying to understand this reality, Ismi is struggling for her life. The woman he loved, hated, blamed, and never to really forget is now laying between life and death. And Ilni and daughter just recovered to be being pulled away from him. That is what to next episode is so important. It is all to only about recuse. It will about to wait of 20 years. It will about to Ismi silence, Adil heartbreak, and Ilni courage. What makes this story powerful is nobody is follow to innocent and nobody is fully to guilt. Ismi did not prove, but she also carried the pain. Adil is angry, but his anger comes from love. Ilni is young, but she is stronger than everyone accepted. Now the question is not only will Adil will save to Ilni. The real question is after everything is revealed, can be broken family ever stand together? Episode 29 bring action that the real battle is emotional. Adil heart is now to more dangerous than his enemies.